morning, guys. It is 7 in the morning. Real quick to play with my James Charles palette. So I decided I'm gonna go with the pink look today. It's called Skip. Keep it old school. I'm gonna go in with the Jumbo NYX pencil, and I'm gonna just put this on my eyelid. Go in with ring light, and this is what ring light looks like. It is this color right here. Love that. Which if you guys notice, I don't put a lot of foundation overall, especially right here. Like you guys probably see, like I don't put a lot here, mostly on my cheek area, but I don't put a lot because I go over it with the bamboo Fenty Beauty sticks. So I don't put a lot. I don't like the kiki ass look. Like I just put enough so it could just cover up my flaws, and so we're good to go. I'm gonna use the concealer. By the way, I've been absolutely loving how this concealer is working. I haven't used my MAC one under my eyes anymore, but I absolutely love this. My handy dandy concealer. I got 10 minutes before I gotta go, so we're gonna do this quick. So I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty Mocha. You know, I tried to curl my hair this morning before doing the video, so I don't look hella tore up. We're going I'm back. I wanted to introduce you guys to my homie. Come here, Chapo. This is my homie, Chapo. Say hi, Chapo. Don't lick my face. Say hi, Chapo. Say hi to the camera. Yummy, Chapo. But yeah, that's my dog, Chapo. He came in. He's trying to leave his ass outside so he could go potty. I'm gonna go in with my Jumbo pencil. Is the look for today. Yes, bitch. Yes. I wish I had some silver glitter. Like, I would put glitter, but I feel like my work's gonna be like, what the fuck, bitch? You know what I'm saying? Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like this tutorial. I will do more with the palette. I'll keep playing with it through different looks. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, thank you. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.